So here is what the memory for your desktop computer looks like. Sometimes it's called RAM, short for Random Access Memory. This is where all your programs and apps are loaded when you are using them on your PC. I have other videos on the importance of memory, but the purpose of this video is to show you how to install the memory stick in your PC. Now, before you do anything, turn off your computer and unplug power cable and discharge any static in your body by touching the frame of your desktop as shown. So first thing you have to do is find out what type of memory you need for your model of motherboard. This is easily done. Open up your case and check on the memory stick itself. You are looking for model number or capacity, speed and memory type. This particular type is made by Patriot Memory and it's 4 GB. Memory type is DDR3 PC3-10600 CL9 and model number is PSD34G133332H. Don't worry about these numbers or acronyms. You can check in your motherboard manual or alternatively check on motherboard manufacturer's website by using the model number of the motherboard, which is printed on the motherboard itself. If you are thinking of adding more memory than you have at present, then I suggest you check at Crucial.com, where they can scan your system and show you how much RAM you can install on your existing system. If you need more information, I have a section on memory for your computer on my website, so you can go and check that out if you like. So let's show you how to install that memory stick. First, when you look at the memory stick, you will notice a notch in the board on the connector side. This notch has to line up with a ridge in the memory slot on the motherboard as shown. One side is shorter distance from the notch than the other, so it can only be installed in one direction. Foolproof if you like. Another point I'd like to make here is which slot should you install your memory stick in. Well, you will have to check your motherboard manual for recommended memory configuration. In this ASUS motherboard, if you have one memory module, then you should install it in the blue slot, either one, it doesn't matter. And if you have two memory module sticks, you should install them in the two blue slots for best performance. Now, if you have 3 memory sticks, then install 2 in the blue slots and put the third one in the first black slot labeled DIMM A1 as shown. And if you have 4 memory modules, then you obviously install memory in all 4 slots. So to install the memory stick, you have to push the 2 locking clips into unlocked position as shown. Now just take the memory stick and drop it into the slot on the motherboard as shown. Now push down firmly on both sides of the top of the memory stick and it will click into position. So there you go, memory stick installed. Now I'm just going to show you how to remove the memory stick from a motherboard, and all you do is push out on the locking clips as shown here, and then just slide out the memory stick. So just push out, and then the memory stick just slides out. And we'll do the same thing with the other memory stick that's in this motherboard. And it just comes out. There is a difference in the length on both sides of the ridge. It's not very clear here, but you will see the difference when you look at it yourself. So just remember, the memory stick will only fit in if you match up the memory stick notch and the ridge on the motherboard memory connector. So just to recap, make sure that the locking clips are pushed out away from the slot. And line up the latch and the ridge and just slide it in. Push down with your thumbs or fingers, whatever, and they will clip into place. So notch to ridge and push firmly, and the two clips will click into place. And that's it, you've installed your memory on your motherboard.